Welcome back to California Live. With so many of us lunching at our desks and dining in front of the TV, I know I'm guilty as well, it's no surprise we're hearing so many people complain of digestion issues. Well, our Amber Pfister's discovered a wellness studio in El Segundo that offers a variety of solutions to help our food go down in the most delightful way. Isn't that right, Amber?
Yes, it is, Jess. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm fascinated by gut health, digestion. I want my food to go down in a delightful way, and that's why I brought you to Paw Studio in El Segundo. Now, here's the thing. We are going to give you 5 tips coming up, just what can really help with your gut. But first, I want you guys to meet my friend, Dr. Charles. He's going to tell you all about Paw Studio and everything that you guys offer, which is a lot of stuff.
It is.
Yeah.
Well, welcome. So the very first thing we have here is floats. So
Float therapy. Oh, I love float therapy. Okay, let's talk a little bit about float therapy and all the benefits.
Yeah, so you end up sitting in this vat of salt, and you kind of turn off the lights, turn the pod down, so you're in the state where you don't have any sort of stimulation, and it helps you get into this nice, relaxed state. And it really is restorative. It's kind of like it simulates meditation.
Yeah, and by the way, pause to you. It's just taking a pause from life, which I think we all need. Now, how long are most people in that therapy for?
Yeah, so we book them out for 1 hour. Sometimes people will do a 2-hour back-to-back, but generally 1 hour. It's quite the experience.
That sounds wonderful. Just meditation. Now, coming into this room too, as you guys can see, this is their light therapy. Now, when I first walked in, I actually thought this was a tanning bed, which kind of is ironic for health and wellness, but this is a light therapy. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, so light is a nutrient. So then when you're sitting in this, you're getting red light. Red light's going to penetrate into the skin. It helps sort of stimulate the cells, helps them produce more energy. So it can be great for collagen formation, for muscle recovery, for immunity, for just general wellness.
Everything.
Yeah, exactly.
You have me at collagen. Of course, the superficial part. Now, as you guys can see, they have a ton of different saunas. So the nice thing is if you come in, they're not always booked up, and you guys can, you're not waiting around for all of these, because you do offer quite a bit. Yeah. Now, this is one of my favorite rooms that I saw earlier, because I think this is actually a really unique idea for a date night. Take a look at how big this is. Now, you guys have a sauna, and then over here you have your really cold ice bath. Explain what the benefits are of this.
So, I mean, there's so many benefits to sauna. When you're in this, it's an infrared sauna, so these rays will get to penetrate a little deeper. It can be amazing for detoxification, again, for mood recovery, and then the fact that you can go from heat, where your body is nice and relaxed and vasodilated, to cold, you're going to get this pumping action, and it's great for flushing out inflammation, helping with pain, immunity. So, it's quite the experience coming in here on a date night. A couple of you come back and forth.
Oh, I think it's so much fun, and I love also that you guys offer the shower too, which is really nice, because you really could go, I mean, being here at the Point, you can go and grab some dinner right afterwards.
Exactly, and every single room is individual, so that way you get to be here, you rent it out for half an hour, get to really enjoy the service.
Perfect. Okay, now we can't not be here and not talk about your cryotherapy room. This is so cool.
Yeah, so I mean, it gets down to so cool exactly, minus 160, negative 200. Again, just very invigorating, can be amazing for immunity. Something that is a quick little 3-minute service, but if you just, again, are going out for a little activity and you want to come in here and get a little blast of cool, it's a great
especially with the heat that's going to happen this weekend. And then I know this is your office here. Now, if people are interested, they can do a one-on-one session with you, depending on kind of what's going on. You were mentioning, like, maybe it's hormones, lack of sleep, maybe they're anxious. There's lots of stuff that would be going on.
Yeah, exactly. So people come here as a rest and recovery sort of studio, but sometimes you want help with digestion, you want help with something, so you need a deeper dive. That's where I come in. We can sit down, maybe do some lab work, see what's ailing you, and come up with diet, lifestyle advice.
Nice. And as you can see, I mean, people here are just already enjoying themselves. Now, what is she getting done?
So this is an IV. IV therapy can be amazing for immunity, it can be for recovery, just if you need a little pick-me-up, or if you're about to go out on a weekend away, it can be super
a little hangover cure.
It definitely can. I think that's where it got a lot of notoriety. Yeah, so getting that fluid in, getting some of the nutrients that are depleted, but there's so many different,
a lot of options here. Okay, so we mentioned digestion, gut health. I know that you have 5 5 tips. So someone who might not be able to make it to PA Studio, what are things that they can do at home that will help with just their digestion?
Yeah, I mean, and everybody's going to be different. Things are so individualized based on you. The most important thing probably with digestion is being relaxed in a nice relaxed state. It's called the rest and digest the system. So the idea that if you get to be in a place like this and get to relax, it helps your digestion sort of optimize or recover. So, and you don't want to be eating on the go, sit down, say a prayer, smell your food. Those are all amazing tips.
Okay, nice. Okay, what's number 2?
Number 2 would be finding your food sensitivities and trying to eliminate them. So some people are sensitive to gluten, let's say. Sometimes people, nightshade vegetables or different sort of things might aggravate the gut. So if you're trying to do a reset at home, then just find what you know you're sensitive to, or you can take a diet like the low FODMAP diet and kind of follow that to remove triggers.
Interesting. And you guys do the food sensitivity here,
right? We do, yeah. So sometimes people already know what they are sensitive to, but if you come in here, we can draw blood work, we can get labs and see this is what you're sensitive to, therefore if you remove it, we can give your digestion a chance to heal and recover.
Okay, next tip.
Next tip, so if you are doing a gut reset, probiotics can really be beneficial. Getting a really well-rounded multi-strain probiotic is often what we're recommending, and then so taking that at home, it can give like a nice ecology to your gut and let it sort of rebalance. And if you can handle fermented foods, then you're getting lots of probiotic when you're eating kimchi, when you're eating sauerkraut, those type of things. So that can be beneficial.
But it is good for you, and I see that you guys have a lot of products here. Okay, and what is number 4 and 5?
We do, yeah. So lots of products here. Bone broth is something that I think is absolutely beneficial. Everybody should be trying to have more and more throughout the day. So you can make it at home, or you can go and get a lot of nice packaged sort of options.
Makes me think of my grandma or something.
Exactly. I mean, all this stuff that people are doing, it's for a reason. It does help your body heal itself. So bone broth has a lot of nutrients that can soothe the gut lining, help repair it, and it's just stuff that we're often deficient in. So that's a great tip, easy to do at home.
And then last but not least?
Last but not least would probably be exercise. And as mentioned, you want to be rested when you're eating, so you don't want to be running while you're eating. But if throughout the day you are making sure you're doing lots of walking, you're making sure you have some sort of regular activity routine, that's going to help move things along, help your digestion sort of work more optimally. It really helps everything in your health.
Wonderful. Okay, I have learned so much already, and I'm definitely going to be hitting that float for sure.
Please do.
I think I need that. Dr. Charles, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Jess, what are you thinking? I mean, I feel like you and I need to make a little bone broth, which means I'm coming to your house and you make the bone broth. What do you think?
I'm definitely down, but I do have a question that I want you to ask Dr. Charles. So with the therapies that they offer, do they recommend doing any of them in a specific order to maximize the benefits? Like, can you end with the sauna, or do you have to end with the cryotherapy? I would want to end in the sauna because it's so cold in the cryotherapy.
That is such a great question. Okay, so Jess wants to know, out of all the things that you guys offer, is there a sequence that you actually think is most beneficial?
Again, it's going to be what's individualized to you. I personally like the idea of coming in here, doing the sauna contrast, and then from there going into the float. Saunas can be really relaxing. Your body gets in this nice state, and then that kind of gets you into that zone to be able to relax and be nice and tranquil.
There you have it, straight from the doctor. Jess, there you go. Now
Let's make a date. We're doing it. Thank you so much, Amber.